A warm welcome to everyone. His Excellency Falah Al-Ababi, Chairman of Department of Municipalities and Transport and Chairman of Tadweer. His Excellency Dr. Salem Khalfan Al-Khabi, General Manager of Tadweer and Abu Dhabi Waste Management Center. Other dignitaries who have come, members of Tadweer, professionals in waste management, and the people of UAE and Abu Dhabi. I'd like to first of all thank Tadweer for taking this wonderful initiative to develop an eco park into which there are waste management facilities and recycling facilities that are scheduled to come up. I'm very proud to be part of this eco park where we are establishing our second big waste management plant in UAE and the first big plant in Abu Dhabi. A wonderful plant which is now coming up here, which comprises of an integrated hazardous and medical waste facility. We had recently, about a few months back, established a material recycling facility in Dubai, and today we are proud that our integrated hazardous and medical waste plant is commissioned and operational here today. As you're all familiar, for the last 7-8 months, ever since COVID has struck UAE, we've been part of Abu Dhabi's Tadweer efforts to ensure that the containment of COVID waste is well controlled. We have been through an interim facility collecting, transporting and disposing the medical waste here at our Abu Dhabi center, and it has been quite successfully destroying the COVID waste and ensuring that infection spread is put in control. The larger facility, which is the rotary kiln incinerator, which will handle again the medical waste and industrial waste, is ready and will be operationalized in this eco park immediately. We are as good as getting this project to a wonderful development center. Internationally, we've been doing quite a few waste management operations, specifically in Oman, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Kuwait. We're now establishing plants in Jordan and Saudi Arabia. We already have significant presence in Singapore, Southeast Asia, and United States of America. We're proud to also say that in India, we are the largest waste management company, and by far, by volumes of waste we handle, we are one of the largest in Asia, handling about 8 to 9 million tons of waste every year across the world. Our efforts towards sustainability are prominent, visible, and we'd like to take it across the world and ensure that the world gets best of the environmental solutions and emerging economies take advantage of this. We also would like to thank Tadweer for their wonderful planning of this eco park, giving us an opportunity to be part of this, to put up the integrated medical and hazardous waste plant, and we assure them that this will be one of the best in the region and one of the best in the world. We are also in the near future in this eco park planning to put up an electronic waste facility, and we are confident we'll deliver a better quality product for the city of Abu Dhabi and for UAE. We thank Tadweer again for giving us this opportunity and wish this eco park a grand success. Thank you all.